Hello everyone. So we are going to start with the day three today. Yeah. So let's begin. Uh, okay. So we are on the day three of the super brain. Okay. So let's begin. So first of all, if you have any limitations about your memories that you can't learn hard things and all that stuff, to remember that if you feel that your father or mother doesn't have a very good memory, so you can't also have. It's only one third of it's biological. It's depend on its biology. Okay, biology. Two-third depends on your lifestyle, how you learn throughout your life, and how you implement the learnings and how you do things. Really depend on it. So yeah, you have two-third of your part of the brain which you can memorize much faster. Okay, in it will be capable to make you learn more faster. Okay, so while learning using such as common sense things, it's a con if you practice something deliberately for a longer period of time, you will get master at it. Okay, so common sense, if you have some common sense in something, if you haven't common sense, it's not a common practice. Okay, just be remembered. So we are gonna learn today 10 keys to unlock our super brain. Okay, first is good brain diet. Okay, as Jim shared his morning routine, his smoothies, teas, do check out that presentation and that links to the blogs in which the recipe is given, and you can check that out. It's such a amazing diet thing. Okay, killing ants. So it's not about ants killing, it's just about automatic negative, the thoughts, negative emotions you come through, you just have to decrease it slowly and steadily by getting more positive thoughts and getting more into positive thinking. Okay, but the thing is, exercise. Do exercise daily of 15 to 20 minutes a day, daily or five times a week. It's normal. So movement is key, and anything just rates your heart pumping up. It is ultimately good for your brain also. Okay. Other thing is brain nutrient. So the main brain nutrient you need is B vitamins and omega fats. Just get your blood report and see what the nutrients you are lacking in. Okay, you just have to see about it and do improve and do get include that in your diet, the things you like. Okay, positive peer group, it's so super important to foster your learning experience. Okay, clean environment, uh, the more you are organized, you are more motivated to learn something, to do something curiously. Okay, I have experienced it. The more chaos around you is making you lazy, unmotivated, and all that stuff. Just make your environment spacious and clean. And okay, sleep is super important. Just cut out any distraction at the night. Do not have any cell phones around you or anything. Just sleep. 8 to 7 hours of sleep is super important, because the sleep is the only thing that converts your short term memory to long term memory. Okay, it is a very slow process, gradual process, but it will change your short term memory to a long term. So super important to sleep 8 hours a day. Okay, brain protection. As Jim shared his story about how he suffered from the brain injury at the age of 5 and had difficulty to learn at his school time period. Okay, so if you play extreme sports or just into sports, just wear a helmet and have the safety about your brain, because it's very sensitive part. Okay, new learning daily, it is also vital important to get daily new dosage of learnings. Okay, so here is a quote given by Jim: lifelong learning, add years to your life and life to your years. Okay. So consistently learn over every day something new. Just write it in your journal what you learn new. Just make an intellectual diary of something. It will become a physical diary and physical knowledge base you have. Okay. So just add new learnings every day in it. Okay. And stress management. Everybody has stress about something, anxiety or something. Best way to deal with it is meditation, mindfulness training. Okay, just start with the 5 minutes a day. It's super easy. If you can afford a trial, you can do a thing. You can log in to sign up in Headspace. It's an app. It's a super app. It's free 7 days and has free trial for 7 days. Just have to add credit card. But if you don't want to do it, you can do a thing. You can just type on YouTube and just hear to some music and just uh, take your breath up and down and just maintain your breath. Okay, that's it. So today's action step is analyze which areas you lack and focus on improving it and take immediate action. Okay. So analyze which are the area you are not doing very well, and just try to improve it daily and steadily, and you will see massive results. Okay, just do it consistently, things. Okay, yeah guys, that's for it today. Thank you guys for listening. See you tomorrow for the day 4. Be ready. Okay, bye.